Dad, no. For once in your life, would you please just listen to me?
You've thrown your lot in with them. You're not a Viking. You're not my son.
So I guess we'll share?
Reddit.
All mine then. Wow. So, okay. I'll see you,